Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locating every paint bubble and marking its edges so you won't miss hidden damage. Once marked, wash and degrease the panel. Make sure it's fully dry because trapped moisture causes repeat bubbling. Then you must expose the defect. Use a rotary tool or fine sanding to remove loose paint down to solid edges or bare metal. By exposing the substrate, you reveal rust or delamination. This step prevents sealing and failures and lets you properly repair the metal or primer beneath. You must eliminate corrosion and restore a solid base. Remove rust with a brush and sand to bright metal, then apply a rust converter on any pits. Once clean, mix and apply body filler in thin passes, filling low spots only, and let it cure so you can shape it. Sand progressively from coarse to finer grit until the profile blends into surrounding paint. After sanding, clean with a solvent and a tack cloth and mask adjacent panels. This prevents overspray and ensures primer bonds where needed. You start by applying an epoxy or adhesion primer to seal the repair and prevent future corrosion. Let it flash and sand lightly for grip. Next, spray 1-2 base color coats, blending into the adjacent panel with about 50% overlap so transitions vanish, then apply 2-3 wet clear coats with proper flash times. After full cure, wet sand through 1,000 to 2,000 grit and polish to match gloss. If bubbling reappears, recheck for trapped moisture, residual rust, or incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.